Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to manage memory in Perplexity AI. So let's start. Open your Perplexity AI. Here you can see I already log in Google Chrome, and here I'm using the Pro versions. Okay, so after the login, just go to the left hand side and click on your profile name, and here the click on your third option, personalization. And in personalization you can see here the one option, the memory. So here you can see the first is the reference search library. Let Perplexity use previous searches when answering. It means when you search for something, the Perplexity can refer to your past searches to analyze and improve its response. Okay, if you want to on it, just on, and if you don't want, just off this option. Just click on it and it will off. Okay, I just click on the on. And here's the second option, reference save memory. Let Perplexity save and use the memories when answering. Incognito searches are never stored. So here, if you turn it on this option, the Perplexity can use your past searches to help to answer questions. Searches made in incognito mode are never saved, so they won't be used. Okay, understood. And the edit save memory, just click on the manage, and here you can clear your memories. Okay, if you want to clear one by one, just click on this delete option, just keep cursor on it and click on it. Are you sure you want to delete this memory? Memories cannot recover once deleted. So I just click on delete. Yes, I want to delete. If you want to clear all, just click on the clear all. Okay, to clear all your memories. Okay, I just click on here. Here again, the one dialog box is open. Delete all memories. Are you sure you want to delete all of your memories? Memories cannot be recovered once deleted. Okay. After that, just click on the delete if you want to delete all memories. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like these, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.